my name is Enjoyy. So I would like to explain more about mechanical and electrical system. Okay, so for the introduction, mechanical and electrical system can be defined as a complete building that consists important components such as utilities, structures, and architects. All the components are related as the structure emphasizes building strength, emphasizes a function of the building, and the architect emphasizes the aesthetic value of building. However, the building is incomplete if there are no built-in utilities. Therefore, the three components are related to each other, and it also provides comfort to the occupants. Besides, the design of the utility system designed by specialized contractors and consultants. This system can present complex challenges due to terms of detailing and coordination. So, they must satisfy multiple criteria for installation, commissioning, design, maintenance, and operation. According to our project, we have chosen Tunku Tun Aminah Library as our background. So, as you can see, there are a lot of infrastructure in our library. This library is located at UTHM. Next, for our methodology, firstly, we have conduct a meeting and discuss about the topic via WhatsApp. So, we have got the topic about the mechanical and electrical system. Okay, second, we have to choose three types of mechanical and electrical system. So, for our group, we have choose mechanical ventilation system, second, fire protection system, and lastly is electrical supply system. Third, we have divided tasks for each group members. So our group members have got their tasks. And then we have completing work progress. Lastly, we have to produce a complete report and video presentation.
Hi, my name is Enjoyy. My benefit number is AF180146. And my part is mechanical ventilations. Okay, for introduction, the aim of ventilation is to provide comfort with fresh air, and the consideration for construction is air quality. And for several existing buildings, indoor air quality is a significant concern, and because of gassing from synthetic materials used in constructions, there are issues with the sick building syndrome today. Okay, next is importance of ventilations. First, to get enough air in terms of quality and quantity, and second is to control indoor environment. Third is to remove heat and dirty air. Next, for type of mechanical ventilation, we know that based of type of mechanical ventilation has the four. So, first exhaust system. Two, supply system. Third is balance system, and fourth is plenum system. Okay, for this project, we choose three types of mechanical ventilation system. Had chosen that suitable of Tunku Tun Aminah Library, University Townhouse of Malaysia, UTHM, which are first exhaust systems, balance system, and plenum system. So for exhaust system, a ventilator controls the air supply, and the outdoor air is transported into the building by ducts. And because of the mechanical produce overpressure in the buildings, the system is less dependent on the weather condition than a fully natural ventilation system. Okay, for the balance system, a balanced ventilation system introduces a fresh outdoor air into a home, and the same rate that stale indoor is exhausted from the home. If a balanced ventilation system is designed and installed properly, it neither pressurizes and depressurizes the home, and this allows the mechanical ventilation to control the flow of air within the home rather than relying on natural ventilation to move air and pollutants. Next, plenum system. They may be supply or written plenum, and may serve either an entire building or a specific zone in building. For example, such as library, e-clock room, and supply plenum supply ventilation air to the occupied space, and whilst written air is generally extracted through the ductwork. And then, conversely, in written plenum, the air is generally ducted to the space, and whilst the written air is extracted through the plenum. So, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Syaiful Abra bin Jamaluddin. My metric number is CF180118. Today, I will talk to you about fire protection system. What is fire protection system? Fire protection system is the system that reduce the damage of the building. It also protect the equipment in the building. It will protect the expensive document, expensive inventory, and expensive equipment in the building. This fire protection system is also including the fire suppression system and the fire detection system, such as water sprinkler, fire extinguisher, fire and smoke detector, and other than that. So, the fire protection system can be divided into two categories. The first category is the passive system. This passive system is more to the design and the concept of the building. The main objective of this passive system is to delay the spread of the fire in the building. And the second one is the active system. This active system more to the system that we install in the building. The main objective of this active system is more to the distinguish the fire or to delay the spread of fire. The first type of the passive system is the building utilization. This type of passive system is about organizing the space in the building. It also manages the design of the building. So, if the emergency happen in the building, such as the fire spread in the building, so the people in the building can be evacuate the building in short of the time. The second type of the passive system in the fire protection system is the compartmentation. This compartmentation concept is mainly about separating or dividing the room block by block. This room will be separated or divided by the fire resistant wall and the fire resistant door. The material that has easy to catch the fire will be isolated from the room that has many people and the room that has important document or important material. The third type of the passive system in the fire protection system is the escape route plan. This escape route plan is compulsory in any building in the world. This escape route plan will be displayed in each story of the building. It will be your guideline if any emergency happen. This escape route plan will be direct you to the outside of the building and direct you to the open space area. This escape route plan also will be guide you or show you the place of the fire extinguisher and hose reel in the building.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Afiq bin Abu Hassan Syari. Today, I will present about active system. Fire detection system such as fire detector and smoke detector system are designed to discover fire early in their development when time will still be available for their safe evacuation for occupant. Early detection also play a significant role in protecting the safety of emergency response personnel. Property loss can be reduced and downtime for the operation minimized through early detection because control efforts are started while a fire is still small. Most alarm systems provide information to emergency responder on the location of the fire, speeding the process of fire control. For the second system is a fire suppression system. Is an engineered group of units that are built to extinguish fire through the application of sustain. Most commonly, a fire suppression system has built-in components that detect fire at the beginning stage through heat, smoke, and other warning signals. These are attached to an alarm system that will alert you when the fire has been detected and initiate steps for action to further suppress the fire. To majority of fire suppression system will automatically release the application of an external substance to extinguish the fire after the detection and alert us. However, some fire suppression system has a manual application release such as water sprinkler, water extinguisher, hose reel, fire hydrant, and ventilation system. In the conclusion, the combination of active fire protection and passive fire protection is critical to minimize and delay the fire event on building. It is necessary for building to apply these two fire protection as it perform different tasks that equally important to people's safety. It is also reduce the damage due to the building. This combination is to alerting people inside the fire building and safety containing the fire so that people may try to suppress the fire.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Alfi bin Maran. My matric number is CF180037. Today, I would like to present about electrical supply system in UTHM library. For introduction, in Malaysia, Tenaga Nasional Berhad (TNB) is the largest electricity utility and a leading utility company in Asia. The company serves an estimated 3.8 million customers in Peninsular Malaysia, Sabah and Labuan. Malaysia uses various kinds of sources to produce energy such as hydropower, natural gas, coal, solar power. About 75% of the energy used is generated by natural gas, which is not sustainable. Tunku Tun Amidah Library Build was selected as a case study in this research. The library build located in main campus of UTHM Paritaja Batu Pahat. For the voltage is the potential energy source in an electrical circuit that makes things happen. It is sometimes called electromotive force or EMF. Second, voltage always appears between 2 points. Electric power systems are based on alternating voltage applications from low voltage 120 volt residential systems to ultra high voltage 765,000 volt transmission system. There are lower and higher voltage applications involved in electric power system, but this is the range commonly used to cover generation through distribution and consumption. And for the current is the flow of electrons in conduct that is wire. Electrons are pushed and pulled by voltage through an electrical circuit or closed loop path. Circuit is measured in amperes or usually called amps. The flow of electrons in a conductor produces heat to reduce the conductor's resistance. For DC voltage and current, DC is direct current, is the flow of electrons in a circuit that is always in the same direction. The electrons leave the negative terminal of the battery and move through the circuit toward the positive terminal of the battery. And for the AC voltage and current, when the terminals of the potential energy, that is voltage, alternate between positive and negative, the current flowing in the electrical circuit likewise alternates between positive and negative. Thus, alternate current, that is AC, occurs when the voltage source alternates. For the cause of wasted electrical energy, there are 4 causes. Number 1 is usage of lighting at appropriate area, airflows. Third, usage of air conditioning in unused room. And the fourth one is misuse of electric equipment. For the energy saving opportunity, change of the fluorescence type of lamp in toilet into LED tube lamp type. The second is to change the fluorescence type of lamp in closed space into LED tube lamp type. For the third one is installing the sensor, reducing the number of lights in the open reading space, and finally enhancing layer window film.
In the conclusion for the case study, service system must be designed properly by following the standard of specification of service system provided by authorities. This is very important in order to construct a well-functioning building operating purpose to increase the efficiency of the service. This will also help in boosting the productivity of the building. That comfort level of the occupancy in the building should be maintained and increased by the application of the service. Regarding our case study, UTHM library is very well designed of its service system.